Welcome to Easy Dropshipping. Are you always worrying about sourcing winning product? No worry anymore. That's our department. Okay, let's see what we've got today.
Good constructed game. Overall good quality. There is a bit of a misprint on the one dice but not centered, but does not affect the game. The different colored dice is a nice touch. Easy to learn game. More fun with 4 people but can be played alone or 1-4 people. Can change up rules if desired. Got this game for our kid's 5th birthday. It is a great game to play with the kids and also fun for the adults to play with the kids. My 7-year-old son loves this game. We added that the loser has to do a date. Even my teens like it. The game is super easy but the competitive side comes out. Easy to use, fun, interesting, and you can use it to teach subtraction as well as addition. My great grandson loves it. Easy to learn and play. Can be a quick game or go a few rounds. Bought for travel and is easy to pack and take. Good for kids and helps them with math solutions. This game was super easy to learn. The whole family liked it. Awesome. Everyone I've shown loves it and has ordered it. Fun family game. We have made up all sorts of ways to play.
Our company have served more than 3,000 dropshippers and have our own winning product sourcing team. If you want to get more winning product, follow us right now. Let's make money together.